Take your production management skills to the next level with the Professional Diploma in Production Management. This comprehensive course is designed to equip you with the essential knowledge and skills required to manage production processes effectively and efficiently. Learn how to apply strategic planning, improve productivity, implement quality management practices, and enhance team performance within production environments. From operations management to supply chain management and quality control, this diploma covers it all. World Academy UK is one of the largest professional certification institutes in the world, having a presence in around 100 countries, offering the Professional Diploma in Production Management for all professionals across the globe. By the end of this course, you will be able to develop strategies to improve productivity, implement effective techniques for job design and work measurement, and manage supply chain operations to reduce costs and improve delivery. You will also develop skills in forecasting, capacity planning, and layout planning, and learn how to lead teams effectively, align people and systems, and achieve production goals. Join the Professional Diploma in Production Management today and drive operational excellence in your organization. Enroll now and take the first step towards enhancing your production management expertise. For more information, visit us at www.worldacademy.uk.